Oh yeah, I saw this TimTheTatman. Actually, I clicked on the stream to see how it was going.
Oh yeah, his first stream was today.
Yeah, it
right
was just
now.
like moments ago, and or at least the beginning part of it. So I saw the news yesterday. TimTheTatman and Dr. Lupo had left Twitch to stream on YouTube Gaming exclusively. I know YouTube Gaming has been aggressive as far as acquiring talent, usually from Twitch, obviously.
They got Courage as well.
That's correct.
Yeah.
They've been just doing it for a while, but there hasn't been any real large-scale announcements in a while. Granted, you had this stuff with Dr. Disrespect where everyone was wondering, where's he going to go? And then never forget the Mixer stuff, the Mixer mix-up with Ninja. The conversation around where streamers stream and the value associated with that and all the rest of it, it's been going on for a little while. But this is the latest development. So you have these two really popular streamers, TimTheTatman doing his first stream today, and he had 100,000 concurrents.
Wow.
Like right at the start. And he had 10,000 members within the first hour. So I'm just seeing a revenue churn. I'm saying to myself, oof, bit of a move for both parties. Because imagine, right, it's a 70-30 split on non-ad based revenue generated. 70% goes to the creator, in this case, TimTheTatman, and then 30% goes to YouTube. But whatever exclusive deal they signed with him, they're already making that money back on the recurring monthly memberships at 30%. And I presume if you got 10,000, I don't even know what the membership costs. Is it like $5?
Something like that.
So you got $5, you got 30% of $5 every single month. You got 10,000 right out the gate. I'm just saying, I know it's,
Yeah.
you're factoring that in. You're wondering what you're going to be able to generate as you're making this business deal. But make no mistake, there's a deal that gets cut, right? They send an email. They say, you know, we want you over on, or they make a phone call, or they know people who know people and whatever, and the conversation gets started. And they say, we won't mind have you over here on YouTube Gaming. Bring the audience with you.
And part of the reason why he left Twitch is because he's grown up. He has a family now. He has kids.
Oh.
So, I mean, I'm sure YouTube gave him a lucrative deal without, like, doing sponsors on Twitch. He can just kind of have, like, a nice... nest egg.
No. I mean,
YouTube.
hey man, whether he's got a family or not, I mean, you're making business moves. These are businesses that everybody's running.
But I guess what he's trying to say is, like, he's slowing down in terms of, like, just trying to do sponsors and trying to, you know, really be on camera all the time on Twitch. Whereas YouTube, it's maybe more of like a relaxed atmosphere for him.
Oh, did he say something like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, look, man, there's all kinds of components in a person's, this is a major decision that a person makes, right? And there's all kinds of components in there. I know along the lines of what you're saying, if you're streaming on YouTube and then you have all of your uploads that go there as well, as you increase your footprint from a streaming perspective, now people are watching all this and discovering you through all this other content because people watch gaming videos on YouTube. So in that sense, you may be able to be generating more background revenue when you're not actually streaming, which is in line with what you're saying. I
guess maybe just a little bit more freedom.
A little more flexibility.
Yeah.
A little bit more flexibility, whereas on Twitch, the style or the demand is a lot more around live and only live. And I know there's the VODs there, but I don't think people really watch it all that much. You look at what's promoted on the side and so forth. But it's good. By the way, I just want to say this. It's great. It's good for creators. It's good for the ones that are changing to a new platform. It's good for the ones that remain on Twitch. So there's no reason to be stung by it. And the reason it's good on both sides is because now you're having this value associated with these creators, and it's upping the leverage that all the other ones have that remain. Now that Twitch has had to recognize that this other competitor exists, right? Like now you have some competition here, which gives applies pressure to the dominant player in the space.
Sure.
And the question then becomes, like, who even is dominant at this point? Because I know this, I mean, TimTheTatman would, if I ever did go on Twitch, he was always right there as far as if you happen to be streaming.
Yes.
He was always right there as far as in the, like, the most watched things going on.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's the other question I have. How many can you lose of the high profile streamers before you maybe lose that dominant status? It's a question. It's a question.